guys just can't sneak up on me like that. Is that you guys? Is that my subscribers? Well, glad to have you guys back. Wow. You guys are stealthy. You guys must be learning a little bit from me or something. I don't know. Anyways, glad to have you guys back on this. Well, we're not doing an adventure, but this is going to be a little bit of a chit-chat video and a military surplus unboxing video. A very rare item in here, my friends. Well, it's pretty rare, but you can still get them today. But we'll talk a little bit about that in a minute. In the meantime, you guys caught me making some fire starters, and I'm just going to bring you guys over here real fast before we get started on this. And I'm going to show you how to make some, well, they're not my idea, one of my subscribers' ideas. And I guess I could say I could swear by these, but I think this is one of the best fire starters that's not even on the market. That's just my opinion. So we're going to get on with making a ravioli. So come on down here. Let's check this out. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for the unboxing after this. Okay, in order to make a ravioli, we need some duct tape. And I got some green cheap duct tape. And we already have some cotton balls wrapped in Vaseline. So we're going to take one of those, and we're just going to roll it up like that. And then, right here we have my other faithful subscriber and friend, John from OK Bushcraft, a knife that was gifted to me here. We'll use that in a minute. But we're going to just tear off a piece of this cheap duct tape like that. It's a little strip there. It's probably a little too big, but it doesn't matter. Depending on how big you want to make these. Set that in there like that. And then just flip it over. Smash it a little bit. And there you go. You have a survival fire ravioli. So basically all you do is you just take this very sharp Moore knife here that was gifted to me, and you would just spread this stuff out like that. You just take your ferro rod to that, and there you go. That thing will burn for quite a while. So there you go. Survival tinder, the best that's not on the market. All right, now the fun part. What could it be? Got to be careful. This knife is super sharp. Woo. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, that isn't working out too well. There we go. Or put this back in the sheath. Oh, wow. Check that out. Pretty nice. I'll bring guys on down here. So here it is. Integral Designs, if I'm saying that correct. This is a bivy sack. And you don't see these too often. This company is no longer in business anymore. And it's actually, from what I read, well, you know what? Let's just open this up and we'll talk after the video. Let's take this thing out. Check that out. Get it unraveled here. So here it is. It's woodland camo. And you have a metal stiffener here. It's almost like the MSS sleep system. However, it's got a metal adjustable rod here. And it's got a tube here that you can cinch up right here. And open it up. There is the tag, Integral Designs. It's called a Chrysalis Bivy. I can't even say that right. Made out of Spokane, Washington. Huh. And then it's got the netting here. So you got a bug net as well. So basically you just sit on it like this. And this thing you adjust up like that. And you can zip this thing up fully around you. I don't know what the date is on it. But I think it's not Gore-Tex. It's not made out of Gore-Tex. Even the seams are really nice. It's older though, because they don't make this anymore. Well, they don't. This company isn't around anymore. So I'm thinking it's mid-thousands. I want to say the mid-thousands is probably how old this is. Here's the back of it. But we'll save the rest for the next video that we're going to do. Or should I say, adventure. So I went ahead and put the sleeping bag in it and the sleeping pad. And I got it just see how I'd fit in it. But here's what it looks like. Kind of see here in the light. There's the... Actually, let me get it over here more. There we go. So there's kind of what it looks like right there. Got a little tube that hangs out right there. Pretty cool. But that's all I'm going to show you guys until we go do a camp out. I don't want to talk too much about this because we are going to use this in the next adventure, overnighter, or surplus overnighter, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we're going to use this next time. And we're going to test it out. And we'll talk more about it then. But I wanted to tell you guys with this company, though, it's out of business. This company is not around anymore. However, this other company, I believe, bought this company, which is a Canadian company. I believe it's called Fab Felb or something. I don't know. It starts with an F, but I'll get the information on it. Anyways, you know, I don't have a script, so sometimes I do, but on this video I don't. So there's another company that bought Integral Designs, and they still make this bivy sack, but I believe it's a Canadian company. But there's also a USA store. I don't know. I think it's Fab Felb is the company name. Fab, F-A-B, F-E-B, I think. Anyways, if I remember, I'll look it up. I'll talk about it in the overnight adventure. But yeah, yeah. So we're gonna try this out in the next adventure. So I'm just making a little midweek video for you guys. Just wanted to kind of show you a little unboxing here. And it's kind of out in man cave today. So yeah, nothing too exciting. But we're gonna test this out. It's gonna be fun. It looks pretty cool too. And on the table, I got the gear. I'm already excited enough that I'm getting all the gear ready to go for our next adventure. So we'll be using a new backpack. We'll be using a new sleeping bag, a new bivy sack, all kinds of different gear we're going to use on this adventure. So stay tuned. It's probably going to be around February 1st when we do it. So, all right, guys. You know what to do. Hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And make sure you hit the notification bell and tell the whole world about me. But anyways, all right, guys. I will see you guys in the next overnighter. God bless you and take care. Bye.